You might be wondering if you can merge two accounts you have on Roblox. So in this video, I'm going to tackle on whether or not you can merge two Roblox accounts. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Roblox app right here. And basically, you can just scroll through the app. And the answer to our question is there is actually no definitive way to combine or merge your two Roblox accounts to have the same features, downloaded apps, and everything on your two accounts. So the reason for this is because there would be a tendency that people will buy several accounts and then merge them and might abuse the feature. So basically, Roblox won't want that and basically won't have the reason to give this feature as well. So there is actually no way to merge your accounts. And once we go to the profile section or the menu section, by clicking on these three dots at the bottom right hand corner, we can go to help. And for example, you need help with your account. As you can see, there is no topic about merging your accounts, so there is not a possible way to do this step. So that is basically on this topic about merging two Roblox accounts. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.